So we're going to use Schoology quite a bit in this class, and so I wanted to give you a couple of tips on how to best use it. So first of all, most of you, when you open Schoology, it's going to look like this, and it will have all of this recent activity, and that can be a little overwhelming, and I don't really like that at all. So if you wanted to get rid of all of this, now some people really like that, so this is just a personal preference. What you can do is go to where the arrow next to your name, so find your name, and you go up here next to the settings drop down and go to account settings, and down at the very bottom on that second tab, so you're on account settings. On the second tab, you can go set homepage to course dashboard. Yours is probably set to recent activity here, but you can change it to course dashboard and then click Save Changes. And then what will happen is when you click Home on Schoology, it will show up like this, which is all of your classes. Now, the default in Schoology is to list all your classes alphabetical. And if that works for you, then you can leave it that way. I like my classes to be listed in chronological order of my day. So the way to do that is you click on where it says Courses, and then you have this little arrow next to the word Join. If you click on that, it lets you reorder all of your courses, and so you can move them to whatever order they're in. So if my journalistic writing class was 3rd hour, I could drag that arrow up there and leave it, and then it would be in that order, but it's 5th hour. So if you look here, what I've done is I've put this in my 2nd hour class, my advisory, my 3rd hour, 4th hour, 5th hour, my 7th hour, and then GPS, which I don't use advisory or GPS with Schoology. And then underneath that are the things that I've kind of been put into by other things that I've done as a teacher here at Bellevue West. So that way, if you do like it in the order of your day, you click Save Changes, and then when you click on Courses, it will have everything in the order of your day instead of in alphabetical order, so that advisory won't be at the top. It'll just be in the order of your day. And so that's a good tip for how to kind of minimize the distractions in Schoology. The other thing that might be helpful, if we go back into settings and account settings, or we click on notifications, you have the right and the opportunity to put whatever you want for your notifications. So if you are the type of person that you like to get notifications about assignments, you might turn that one on. If you want notifications for whatever it might be in yours, and this will look different for you than it does for me, but I wanted to let you know that you can set your notifications so that you're either getting emails, text messages. It'll show up right here in this little icon on to the left of your name, but that's just a little bit about how to navigate Schoology.